This is a fragrance-free laundry detergent sheet. But does it actually clean or just smell like nothing? I'm about to wash my full set of bed sheets using one of these fragrance-free laundry detergent sheets by Earthbreeze to see whether or not they can really clean my bed sheets, since there's no scent within these sheets to mask it. And it should be really easy to tell because I can physically feel that these bed sheets are kind of thick, oily, and need to be washed. And since this is the fragrance-free version of these laundry sheets, it doesn't have any overpoweringly strong scents to mask things or distract me from the results if these bed sheets feel exactly the same after washing them. A lot of people associate clean with fragrance, but fragrance doesn't actually clean anything. Surfactants do. And fragrance is just used to mask odors. We're done with washing and drying now, and my bed sheets feel nice and clean and soft and not oily whatsoever. And in terms of the smell, it smells like absolutely nothing, because there was no added perfume or fragrance in it. I would say these fragrance-free laundry sheets are ideal if you're someone who has sensitive skin, someone who doesn't like having fragrance on their bedding, or if you're someone who just doesn't like artificial scents and fragrances in general. And on the flip side, if you're someone who really loves strong laundry fragrances, then these laundry sheets probably aren't for you. So if you're looking for a mess-free way to do your laundry that's really affordable, very portable, and having fragrance-free clothing is really important to you, pick up these fragrance-free laundry detergent sheets from Earthbreeze for yourself today, and you're going to be set.